Planning content efficiently can be a game changer, and using Asana to do that can save you hours of frustration. In this video, I'll show you how to plan your content seamlessly using Asana, from creating tasks to organizing everything into neat workflows. If you're looking to stay organized, improve your team's collaboration, and get ahead on content planning, keep watching. The first thing you'll want to do is set up a project. When you create a project in Asana, you can name it something like Content Calendar or Blog Post Ideas, depending on your needs. Once the project is created, you can choose a board view or list view. Both are useful, but for planning content, I recommend the board view for its visual clarity. Next thing, break down the content into manageable tasks. Each piece of content, whether it's a blog, video, or social media post, should be its own task. For example, if you're creating a blog post, create a task named Write Blog Post on Content Strategy. You can add subtasks here, like Research Keywords or Write Draft. This helps keep you organized and ensures that every part of the process gets attention. Now, let's talk about deadlines. Assigning due dates is crucial for staying on track, and Asana makes this easy. Just click on the task, set a due date, and add a reminder if you need it. For ongoing content, you can also set recurring due dates, so tasks automatically repeat every week or month. This way, your content planning process stays on track without extra effort. The fourth thing, you'll want to organize these tasks into sections. For example, you can have sections like Ideas, In Progress, and Completed. This allows you to visualize where each piece of content is in the process. You'll know exactly what's ready to be worked on, what's in progress, and what's done. Next, use Asana's collaboration features. If you're working with a team, you can assign tasks to specific people, leave comments, and attach files right inside each task. This keeps everything in one place and allows for smoother communication, making your content planning process even more efficient. Now, a quick pro tip, use Asana's calendar view. Once your tasks have due dates, you can switch to calendar view to see your content timeline. This is especially useful for planning content over weeks or months. You'll see all the tasks laid out visually, making it easy to spot gaps and overlaps. The last thing I'll mention is automating your workflow. Asana has automation features like rules that can help reduce manual tasks. For instance, you can set a rule to automatically move a task from in progress to completed when the due date passes, so you don't have to manually update it. This makes content planning even faster and less tedious. And remember, you can start using Asana for completely free from the first link below, and with our exclusive bonuses, you'll get even more features to make your content planning smoother. Now, if you follow these steps, you'll be able to plan your content in Asana like a pro, saving yourself time and stress. So, don't forget to check out the free trial in the description below. That's right, an extended, exclusive free trial to Asana so you can start planning your content more efficiently right away. Thanks for watching and happy planning!